Welcome to the official opening of National Centre for Infectious Diseases. NCID is designed to strengthen Singapore's capabilities in infectious disease management and prevention, and is a purpose-built centre with enhanced facilities to manage emerging infectious disease and handle outbreaks. As part of the official opening, we have put up a community open house just next door for members of the general public. We are pleased that some 350 participants have registered to attend.
NCID is built with the capability to provide both routine care and incidents on infectious disease outbreaks with surge capacity. It is equipped with a comprehensive suite of facilities benchmarked to international standards and best practices for treatment and safety in dealing with infectious diseases. With a full range of care services and trained professionals within the same compound, NCID is able to lock down and increase bed capacity during a national level outbreak without compromising the provision of appropriate care to our patients by other healthcare facilities.
The National Centre for Infectious Diseases is now launched. Congratulations!
The plug is designed to be a time capsule to mark milestones in NCID and will be filled with bricks that hold significant items. The symbolic items placed are the smallpox vaccination needle and the electron microscopy photo of the monkeypox virus, which were crucial to the management of the first case of monkeypox in Singapore. We will now place this milestone brick within the NCID time capsule.